Can you use Paysafe without a card? It's a question that many people ask, especially those who are looking for a convenient and secure way to make online payments. In this video, we'll explore the possibilities, the benefits, and the potential drawbacks of using Paysafe without a traditional card. What is Paysafe? Before we dive into the main topic, let's quickly recap what Paysafe is. Paysafe is a digital wallet that allows you to store and manage your money online. It's a popular choice for making online payments, especially for gaming, gambling, and other online purchases. The traditional way, using a Paysafe card. The most common way to use Paysafe is by purchasing a Paysafe card from a retail location. These cards come in various denominations and can be used to top up your Paysafe account. Once you have funds in your account, you can use them to make payments on websites that accept Paysafe. Can you use Paysafe without a card? The short answer is yes, you can use Paysafe without a card. Paysafe offers a variety of methods for funding your account, including bank transfer. You can transfer funds from your bank account directly to your Paysafe account. This is a secure and convenient option, but it may take a few days for the funds to be processed. E-wallet. Paysafe supports a variety of e-wallets, such as PayPal, Skrill, and Neteller. You can transfer funds from your e-wallet to your Paysafe account instantly. Mobile payment. In some regions, Paysafe allows you to use your mobile phone to top up your account. This is a convenient option for those who don't have easy access to a bank or a retail location. Benefits of using Paysafe without a card. There are several benefits to using Paysafe without a card. Convenience. You don't have to leave your home or visit a retail location to top up your account. Security. Using a bank transfer or e-wallet can be more secure than using a physical card, as there's no risk of your card being lost or stolen. Flexibility. You can choose the funding method that works best for you, based on your preferences and circumstances. Potential drawbacks of using Paysafe without a card. While there are many benefits to using Paysafe without a card, there are also a few potential drawbacks. Processing time. Bank transfers may take a few days to process, which can be inconvenient if you need to make a payment immediately. Fees. Some funding methods may involve fees, especially for international transfers. Limited options. Not all Paysafe accounts support all funding methods, so your options may be limited depending on your location and account type. Choosing the right funding method. The best funding method for you will depend on your individual needs and preferences. Consider the following factors when making your decision. Speed. If you need to make a payment quickly, choose a funding method with fast processing times, such as an e-wallet or mobile payment. Security. If you're concerned about security, consider using a bank transfer or e-wallet. Fees. If you're on a budget, choose a funding method with low or no fees. Convenience. Consider your lifestyle and preferences when choosing a funding method. If you're not comfortable with online banking or e-wallets, you may prefer to use a Paysafe card. As you can see, there are several ways to use Paysafe without a card. The best method for you will depend on your individual needs and preferences. By understanding the options available and the potential benefits and drawbacks of each, you can choose the funding method that works best for you. If you're looking for a convenient and secure way to make online payments, Paysafe is a great option. Whether you prefer to use a card or one of the alternative funding methods, Paysafe offers a variety of options to suit your needs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.